Hello children, hope you all are doing well. Today we have met again to learn English. Here we are going to continue with the chapter 1, The Monkey Orchestra. Before we start, there are few instructions. Firstly, please take your paper and pen along with you. Secondly, note all the hard words with its meaning, and lastly, note down the homework given at the end of the video. Before moving ahead, we will just revise that we have learnt in our first video. We have seen that there lived a boy named Mowgli and a bear whose name was Balu. They lived in a jungle and they were good friends. One day, Mowgli was walking through a jungle singing happy song and he met his friend Balu. Balu said, "What a beautiful song it is, but it would be really very nice if it has a music to it." As the Balu said this, they heard the sound from the tree above them and they both looked up. It was the monkeys making noise, and the monkey said, "We will play a music for you." So today we will see how the monkeys will play music in jungle. So before we start, I would like to ask about the homework I have given you all in the previous video. So what are different musical instruments? The different musical instruments are like guitar, drums, piano, harmonium, tabla, etc. So these are the different musical instruments which the musicians use to play the music. So let us see now which musical instruments the monkeys are going to use to play music in the jungle. As the monkey said, "We will play music," the Balu replied, "We would be very happy. But how can you? You don't have any guitar, drums or any other musical instruments to play music." The monkeys started laughing and said, "We do not need any musical instruments," and they cried and jumped over to an hollow log that was lying on the ground. Now the monkeys started laughing and they said, "We don't need any musical instruments to play the music," and they cried loudly and they jumped over a hollow log. What do you mean by hollow? Hollow means having empty space inside. Hollow means a thing which is having an empty space from inside, and log means part of a tree trunk that has fallen or has been cut. So here hollow means having empty space inside, and log means it is a part of a tree trunk that has fallen or has been cut. So what the monkey did, they just jumped over, they cried and jumped on a hollow log. Here you can see the picture of hollow log. These are the hollow logs. So these two monkeys, they are hitting on the hollow log and making the sound. So they hit it with their hands and made a nice sound like dub 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 dubba dub. You can see here how these two monkeys are hitting with their hands on a hollow log and making a sound. Some of them brought dried gourds. Now see, here you can see the monkeys, they have brought the gourds. So some monkeys have brought gourds. What do you mean by gourds? Gourds, as I have shown the picture, it is a fruits with hard shells. So firstly they played a music with hollow logs, and secondly few monkeys they brought up gourds and they were making a noise and started shaking those gourds like rattles. Rattles means toys that make sound when they are shaken. So as you have seen before in a picture they have taken a gourds in their hand and they were shaking those gourds like a rattles, means a toys that make sound when they are shaken. So they were shaking those gourds and making a noise. Then some tied some long plants to a couple of branches and began playing them like twang, 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 twang. Hearing all this, Mowgli replied, "What a wonderful music band you make." Here, now music band means what? A music group. So, all this monkey, some were making noise with hollow logs, some were making noise with gourds, and some were making noise by hanging long plants to the branches. So Mowgli said, "You make a beautiful band," like it means a music group. So Mowgli sang his song and Monkey played a music along with him. The sound of the band was so good that Balu just had to dance and sing along. They had a lovely time and all enjoyed a lot. So in this picture you all can see how the monkeys are making a music, giving a music or playing a music, and Balu can't stop himself after hearing the noise, so he is dancing and Mowgli is singing a song. So this proves that how they were enjoying that song. Ended with chapter 1, the Monkey Orchestra. We will meet back soon. Till that time, I would like to give you homework. So today's homework is you have to learn all the hard words given here in this video with its meaning. Here are the words, that is hollow log, gourds, rattles, band. So you have to learn all these hard words along with its meaning. Thank you.